Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your noodles. This is the time for you to gather around your favorite technology rectangle that shows you pictures of me in 30 frames per second intervals and ensconce yourself in the finest programming money can't buy. So what we have here today is something from a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp. Use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount if you want. If you don't, that's okay. This is Acecook Maruuma Miso Ramen. So that's what we're doing today. I don't know what to tell you if you don't want that, but that's just kind of the deal. Here is the lid. So, yeah. I've been ensconced in the doings and conundrums in the last day or so that are beautiful downtown Kenmore. It's funny because everybody's like, it's so wonderful here, it's so wonderful. You know what they do? They just bitch all day long about they put a new bridge in, it's not done. They had a bridge open. It is funny. It is very funny because 1, 2, 3 minutes. It's funny because to celebrate the bridge opening, they did all this cool stuff. They had like food trucks and this and that and the other thing. But first off, they had to celebrate the bridge opening by closing the bridge to do the event, which is kind of funny. And the other hand is, I don't think it's actually done. I think it's done, but the other side still needs to be like gotten rid of. But so we got that, and that went from like, gosh, I think it started like around 6. And they did a ribbon cutting, and then they did fireworks afterwards. And that's cool and all, but some people just lost their freaking minds. I walked down there, and there were cops directing traffic, which was cool, but traffic didn't seem to be all. I mean, it was screwed up. People were doing bonehead moves. It wasn't because of the event. It's because people don't know how to drive. It's like, there's a main drag called Bothell Way, and people were like wanting to go up 68th, and so they were blocking that, and people kept like, you know, one after the other, they were like further out into Bothell Way. So I heard people like honking at each other and all this stuff. It was stupid. And then the other thing people have been cranky about is the farmer's market, which is only on Wednesdays, and it's for 4 hours, and one block is closed for that. Just one. Losing their minds. They don't know what to do with themselves. I don't know. As I've said before, ripe for takeover. If you can't handle you know, what are you gonna do? They're gonna have an event, a nice thing, and what are you gonna do? You're gonna complain about it because you can't handle it. Yeah. I guess that's the world we live in. But I don't know. I just don't understand humanity. I like to think of myself as like an alien anthropologist. I just watch and go, wow, what are they doing, those humans? Wow. They're sure making a big fuss out of a tiny little thing. Wow, look at them over there. Oh, that one's getting mad. Oh, up in arms. I think that's what they call that. Yeah. I don't know, it's just stupid. But what's not stupid is this, the Bra Pilot timer. You can get these on Amazon, and it's called a Bra Pilot. That's not stupid. That's fascinating. But anyways, our miso is done. And we will give this a flavor taste. Whoa. Let's not give it a a wearing. I like to do tastings, not wearings of boiling hot noodle products. Look in here. So we will stir the noodle. Stir, stir. There's corn in here. Some of you who are corn sensitive, you might want to turn off the programming right now. The corn sensitive folks, they're out there. I know that seeing corn or knowing of the existence of corn can just be a little too much. So, gesundheit, gesundheit. Miso. Interesting. Okay, there's the corn. Look away. If you have children in the room, you might want to look away. There is corn. This is a very tame miso. It's not strong. Honestly, for a miso, I swear it was a shoyu. Oh no, our plug got unplugged. Crap. Yeah, I guess in the next episode I will talk about things that are fun and happy, other than the current political state of Kenmore, Washington, and the complaints that folks have. I can start off by saying I did get new mung bean sprouts. They won't last as long as I would like them to, but you know, what can you do? I understand, I get it, I really do, but actually I need that. So, this is the smallest piece of chashu I got here. They're all huge. And I think what I want to do is what I did with the other one yesterday. Yeah. I'm gonna kind of do it like that. Layer it. Layer the chashu. Because I want to put an egg on it. I want to put an egg on it. But I need some room. This is a very small bowl. There's a little Christmas for you. What do you think of that? Man. And we've got, let's do it this way. So I am going to add egg. I hope you're prepared for that. If you are not tolerant to the existence of eggs or egg-shaped things. Oh. Let's put you over here. Just a couple of you guys can hang out there. And we're going to use some sprizzle springy onion right there. Oh, look at that. I don't have anywhere to put an egg. Where the heck am I supposed to put an egg? I'll figure it out. Hello, egg. So I made these yesterday morning, and I made a pretty strong on the soy and marinade, however you want to call it. Ooh, that's a pretty one. So the stronger you make and darker you make it, the more it seems to help with the look of it on the bowl. It's really already going in pretty good, but that's okay. You like that. I hope you like that. It's helpful if you like things. Do some spring onions. No, wait, we did some spring onion. We're gonna do some. Do I have any of that? I used all that, didn't I? Oh, I need more black sesame seeds. Add that to the list. Black sesame seeds. Blick. And we'll put some shichimi right there. I know you can't see the broth, and that sucks. I'm sorry, but what can you do? It's hard to see it. But that's where we're at right now. The next one should be interesting. So stay close, watch, and enjoy. Alright, well that's it for today. The next one you're going to see is another one from Zen Pop. All the next three are going to be Zen Pop varieties because I got a ton of them and I need to run through them. The next one you're going to see is from a company called Peiyang out of Japan. And this is a squid ink yakisoba. So I think you'll like that. And I hope I do. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.